Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Eating large dumplings called 盒子 on the third day of the Lunar New Year is a tradition in northern China. One of the most well-known is the fried Chinese chive dumplings. The Chinese call it 韭菜盒子, which symbolizes family harmony. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 韭菜盒子 from scratch. Let's get started. Prepare 300 grams of all-purpose flour and 190 milliliters of water with a temperature above 80 degrees. The amount of water will vary according to the water absorption of the flour. Slowly add water to the flour, stirring as you go until all the water is incorporated. Knead these dough drops into a big dough, just like this. Cover with cling film and rest for 30 minutes. The Chinese call this time period 醒面. While the dough is waking up, let's prepare the fillings. There are 3 standard ingredients for the fillings: Chinese chive, eggs, and dried small shrimp. I omitted the third one because I don't like it. 250 grams of Chinese chives, finely chopped, as thin as possible so they fit into the dumplings easier. Transfer to a bowl. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat well with chopsticks. Put a wok on a low heat. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Pour in the egg liquid. Stir fry until cooked through. Turn off the heat. Keep breaking the fried eggs into smaller pieces with the spatula. Add the chopped Chinese chives to a large container. Mix in the scrambled eggs. 3 tablespoons of oil. Stir well. Coat them in oil. Set aside. After the dough has rested for 30 minutes, knead it for half a minute and let it rest for another 10 minutes. Before making dumplings, add 1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of salt to the fillings. Mix well with chopsticks. The addition of salt will not make the chives precipitate too much water because of the coated oil. Start making dumplings. Dust the work surface with some flour. Turn the dough onto the work surface. Divide it into 2 parts. Knead into 2 long cylinders. Then cut them into 8 discs with a knife. Roll a disc at a time into a circle wrapper roughly 2 milliliters thick with a rolling pin. Sprinkle some flour to prevent sticking. Spread the fillings over the circle surface. Fold the wrapper in half and pinch the edges to form a half moon, just like this. Also, you can make patterns around the edges, like this. Of course, it saves time not to do it. Repeat this operation with the rest wrappers. Make a total of 8 large dumplings. Come to the last step, pan-fry the dumplings. Heat a pan over low heat. Put 3 dumplings on the pan. Drizzle with 2 teaspoons of oil. Pan frying until cooked through and golden brown on both sides. Turn off the heat. Transfer to a dish. Do the same for the remaining dumplings. The yummy fried Chinese chive dumplings with beautiful colors are ready. If you like it, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.